If you've tried devices like this before and they all felt the same, limited presets, no real control, this one takes a completely different approach. And there's one design choice here that I haven't seen on anything else in this category. So let's go over the Tracy's dog at TriggerX. I'm gonna go over all the different features of it, show you how the controls work, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So the TriggerX is an automatic male masturbator from Tracy's dog. It combines thrusting and rotation with a trigger-based speed control system. It's rechargeable, has a built-in heater, and there's an LED display on the front that shows you what mode you're in. So let's do an unboxing here and then go over the different features of this. All right, so let's do an unboxing here. So it comes in a nice discreet package, which is nice. All right, we can just lift up the flap on the side with a lot of Tracy Dog's products. They have this nice box design. It's really simple. Move it over so we can see. So we have, of course, the main unit itself. And it's pretty big. And then we have the accessory box. Okay, so we get our stickers. Tracy Dog always gives you stickers, which is really cool. A lot of varied stickers here. Then we have a little wipe, a pure clean wipe, so we can wipe off the device. And then we get the instruction manual and the warranty with it. And of course we have our charging cable. We can look on the back here. That's where we insert the cable and we can plug it into our power source. Okay, and first impressions of this are, it's solid, feels sturdy. It's a little bit bigger than you would probably think. So let's unscrew the cap here so you have a look. Really soft silicone in here, feels really nice. Just take that off. Then we have our cup that we can just remove. You have a drainage hole on the bottom. It's really nice for any products like this to have that. Okay, let me just put it back in. Just line up the little tabs here. You can see, fits right in. Screw this back on. Okay, so everything included the main unit, lubricant, instructions, cable, stickers, and clean wipe here. Okay, so let's go over the features here. So you have the stepless trigger control. So this is the big one here. The trigger-based speed control. You have two ways to use this. There are 10 preset patterns you can cycle through, which is the auto mode. This is pretty standard for most toys. Then you also have this trigger right here where you can manually press it, and the amount of pressure that you give to this trigger will control the actual thrusting and rotation. So this means instead of jumping between fixed speeds, you can dial in exactly the intensity you want by how hard you squeeze this. So you can think of this like the gas pedal, just a light squeeze for slow and full squeeze for maximum. So most devices don't have this. So it's nice that you have more granular control over this. So let's just have a look at how to use that here. Turn on the device, just go ahead and hold down the button, then we'll go ahead and turn on. And then we have it set to auto, and to go to manual, we'll just go to the back right here and go ahead and hold on to that and then press it. And then it'll switch to manual. And then I'll go ahead and press the trigger on the back very lightly. And then we can see it's at its lowest setting of 1, okay? Go ahead and squeeze it a little bit harder here so you can see. Now we're at 10, I'm pressing it really hard. Now just go ahead and press it very gently and increase the pressure on the button. You can see it increases, keep increasing, 4, 5, and then all the way to 10. So you can see what it's doing there. So I'll just do it really slow. Increase, keep increasing, and then maximum speed and rotation and thrusting. So that's really the standout feature here. And then we have the different modes. So go back to the different modes. Just go ahead and press the button once here. Okay, and then to start on auto mode, we just go ahead and press down once. And then we have our preset. That's 1. And number 2. A little faster, a little more thrusting. Number 3, a little bit slower. A little bit different of a thrusting pattern. Number 4, a little bit slower still. A little bit of a different thrusting pattern. It's going more intense and then goes down, and then we can just cycle through all of them here, all the way to 10, and then back to 1. So you have 10 different presets here. And to stop, we'll just go ahead and double tap, and that stops it. And again, to turn off, just hold down the button. Okay, so another feature here is the 360-degree dual direction rotation. So the rotation goes full 360 degrees. Go ahead and show you. You've already seen it though. So that goes all the way around. So you're not just getting thrusting, you're getting a twisting motion on top of that. So it's a nice combination of both here. And then you of course have the 1.57 inch thrusting stroke. So the thrusting stroke length at 1.57 inches is what Tracy Dog says covers about 90% of the sensitive area compared to around 50% on typical devices. So that's a pretty significant difference in terms of how much stimulation you're actually getting per stroke. It's just one of those specs that makes a difference in real use. Okay, and this also has a built-in heating element which warms up to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, which is right around body temperature. So you can turn it on before or during use, and it does make a noticeable difference in how realistic things feel. And you'll also notice that you can record the time that you use the device for as well. So when you're holding the manual, it stops when you release, and with the auto, it just of course continuously goes. Okay, another great feature here is just how easy it is to clean. So you just go ahead and unlock just by twisting and take off the top piece. Usually you can just go ahead and take off this little cap and then do your cleaning this way. It makes it really easy, so you don't have to take this out at all. And again, this is just really soft material in here. It has realistic textures inside. So it's really nice that this is just easy to clean because no one wants to spend time cleaning. Okay, so what I really like about this is just having the real-time control over the intensity. That's a big deal. And the combination of the thrusting and rotation together is nice, and the LED display is a nice touch that most devices in this category don't have. Also, one other thing about the battery life. So you do get around 60 minutes of continuous use on a full charge. Of course, if you're using the manual mode and you're cranking it up to the full setting the entire time, it's gonna last less. So it just depends on how you use the device, whether it's gonna be able to use the full 60 minutes. And it does take about 2 hours to fully charge. So who should get this? So if you used similar devices before and felt limited by preset only controls, this is a good step up. You're getting continuous speed adjustment instead of fixed buttons, which is a completely different experience. And if you want one device that does it all, thrusting, rotation, instead of buying separate ones for each, this puts everything together in a single unit, which is really nice for keeping things simple. And if you're someone who likes to experiment and find exactly what works for you, this is good for that as well, because you have the 10 different preset modes plus the manual trigger as well. So if you're looking for something smaller and portable, this probably isn't, the device you want to get. This is more of a full-size device, at 3 pounds, and just the width and length of this. And you're just getting started with toys like this, you might want to try with something a little bit simpler first. So in my opinion, the Tracy's Dog TriggerX is definitely worth checking out if you want something that gives you real control over your experience. It's one of the more versatile options I've seen in this category. So this is definitely worth checking out.